Hello and welcome to How to Play Clock Solitaire, presented by GatherTogetherGames.com. This video will cover how to play the card game Clock Solitaire. The video will start with the general concepts and gameplay, and then get into more of the details for the game. The game is played with one player. To play, you will need a 52 card deck. The cards are set up by creating 13 piles with 4 cards in each pile. 12 piles are created in a circle to represent the face of a clock. The 13th pile is placed in the center. The object of the game is to get all the cards in the correct spot before getting stuck on the kings. Each card rank has a specific spot in the layout. The aces are in the 1 spot, the 2s through the 10s continue clockwise, the jacks go in the 11 spot, the queens in the 12 spot, and the kings in the middle. The game starts by flipping up the top card of the middle pile. The card is placed face up at the bottom of its correct pile. The top card of this pile is then flipped up and moved. Cards continue to be moved to their correct pile, and new cards are flipped up from the pile the card is moved to. If a king is flipped up, it goes to the bottom of the middle pile, and the top card of the middle pile is flipped up. The game is won if all cards around the clock are in the correct spot before the last king is placed into the middle. The game is lost if all kings are in the middle before getting all the cards in their correct spot around the clock. Most games are lost in Clock Solitaire, but you can keep track of how close you come to winning games by counting the remaining face-down cards after a game is lost. That wraps up how to play Clock Solitaire. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and find more game tutorials by subscribing to the channel, Gather Together Games. Thanks for watching.